Good evening. So I got my Thai tea in my hand, and I'm at Market Village. I wasn't planning on filming anything today, but just like Blueport, they got a few animals here. So, and they got the green market going on again. I don't know, maybe they do this once a month. But it's the animals. You got the chickens. You got the cute pigs. I don't think I've ever seen some pigs that's so whoa. I think they think it's food. Aren't you cute? Yeah, aren't you cute? I think these are the cutest pigs I've ever seen anywhere. Got some goats. Sleeping away. Maybe it's just too hot for them. But what really piqued my interest was this snake. Wow. The size of that snake. That looks quite terrifying. Fine, talking about the size of that tortoise. I think you can see how big that is. That is like absolutely massive. Wow. We've got some other small animals as well. It's amazing how still these things are. Not sure what that is. What are you? Doesn't look that pretty. What is it? I haven't got a clue what this is. It's like something out of a horror movie. Wow. I feel quite sorry for it. Looks like it's unloved. Love it, huh?
Meow. Meow, meow, meow.
I'm not sure if it is a meow or not. Oh, okay. Is that real? Is it alive? Oh, I didn't realise they could really live underwater. Oh my god. Oh. Yuck. Apologies for all those that don't like snakes. Like before. Fascinated by these animals. More snakes. Huh? Maybe there's just so many snakes around. It's easier to find a snake. There's another one hiding there somewhere. Wow. I just popped out to buy an aircon unit and I end up seeing all this. I wonder if this one's going to try and eat my camera. Oh, CBC sorting out your feather. Not interested at all. Not like the ones in Blueport, are you? No, you're not. Now, don't pick your nails. Oh, you're going to go for it as well, aren't you? Yeah. think he didn't want my camera. So, sorry, I got the bubble thing in my mouth. So, Market Village, Hua Hin. Great stuff. Lots of things going on. And it's nice and cool because it's the evening time at the moment. As I said, I was just going to pop in and buy an aircon unit at, of course, Home Pro. So I think my aircon unit in the bedroom is on its last legs at the moment. So there you go. Hey, Village Market. And let's talk about fish. My God, what are they feeding these fish with? They're absolutely gigantic. I think these are just a small fry. I'm sure I've seen some bigger ones somewhere. Let me investigate. Trouble is, they're all over the place, and I can't get to them. It'd be a bit crowded over there. What's so interesting over there, apart from air bubbles? If only I had some food, that would have been fun. I have got some small ones as well. Lots of little babies in here as well. Looks like they've got some guppies in here. The size of some of these fish. But he's too big. Yes, they go sideways. Anyway, I thought I'd show you that because it's quite interesting just seeing them here, so big. Even from upstairs on the second floor, you look down and you think they're going to be small, but they're not. They're so big, even from upstairs. They're just hidden all over the place. I'm sure if you give them some food, they'll come out all together. So that's something else to see. Market Village. I do like it here. So much to choose from. So much to see. So many offers. So you can eat expensively, or medium priced, or just go down to the street food market. It's ultra cheap down there. 50 baht for a meal. Easy. And it's really nice. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching What's Dean Doing in Thailand. Oh, and please, can you subscribe? There's about 93% of the people that are not subscribed. And maybe hit the like button and hit the bell for notifications. And catch you again soon. Cheers. Goodbye.